everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I just went to Micro Center in North New Jersey, and I picked up the Bose Companion 2 Series 3 PC speakers. So I got these for my PC to hook up to get my sound a little bit better, get it enhanced, I guess you could say, compared to the ones that I got, and hopefully this will work and make a nice crisp sound for the music that I like to play when I'm cleaning or when I'm doing stuff in my basement or when I'm installing or whatever I'm doing, working on the fish tank. I like to have music, so that's why I bought this. So let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so right out of the box we have the instruction manual that's on the top. This is what comes in here. Hopefully I don't need so much of this, and I'm not going to read most of it, but I'm going to try and see, because that's what you're supposed to do. So we got some auxiliary cables that they included. Looks like an auxiliary cable to hook up your iPad, whatever you got that's going to go through there with sound. So that's what they got, or this might be for that, I'm not sure, but maybe it's just an extra cable that they give you. I'm not 100% until I open up the rest of the box. So we got that in there, so that came in there. Let's take out the center. Oh, it comes out just like this. Let's remove this box. So this is what the box looks like. Up close, companion speakers. And that's what the box looks like if you want to see it. Series 3, Companion 2, 120 volt. Alright, so that's what it says. There it is. Okay. Opens up like so. Just like that. This pops out. Let's see what's in here. What's in this box. So in here is we got the power. We got the transformer. So this is going to be what's powering your Bose speakers right here. So this is the transformer for your Bose system. Pretty long cable. I'm not sure how long it is. If you want to know, ask me in the comments below and I'll measure it for you. But it does look pretty long, if you can see. And I still got a lot to... There you go. Look at that. This has to be probably 4 to 5 feet, if I had to guess. If you want to know the exact, like I said, I'll let you know. But right now, this is, like I said, maybe 4 or 5. Maybe... not 5 feet. About 4 feet. Probably 4 feet. So, alright, so it comes with that. That's the transformer that you're going to be using, obviously, to power these speakers. So it comes in that little fancy box. Then we got the speakers right here. So I'll pull out the speakers. They're wrapped in this little foam. A little bit of tape on here. So we're going to pull this tape off here. Okay, so this is the first one. This is what it looks like. I don't know if this comes off right now. I'm not sure. Hopefully it does so you can see it. But yeah, here's the speaker system for it. It looks a little cheapo, but it looks a little cheapy. But I mean, it's $99. This is their entry level, speaker, and I think they have one other one, and I don't want to spend $250 on it. So hopefully this is going to be loud enough for what I need and be able to kick some butt. So. It seems a little cheap with the knob and stuff like that, but I mean $99 for Bose. What do you want? So let's keep this just in case. Okay, let's take out the other speaker. Move that to the side. There's nothing left in there. So here's the other speaker right here, which is the non-controlled speaker. It just has the this is kind of the jumper, I guess, that goes to the other speaker. So you can have it pretty far away from it, and it should work really good. So that's pretty cool. So that's what we got for that. So that's about it. It's a very simple, quick review of me unboxing it and seeing what they look like. this is about it. Like I said, the knob feels very cheap. I bought my mom the same ones about 2 years ago, and they definitely redesigned them from maybe 3 years ago. I got it for about 3 years ago for Christmas, and they definitely redesigned these within the last 3 years, it looks like, because hers is a little bit smaller, and the knob feels a lot stronger, a lot more sturdy. But I'm not sure if hers has the ports on the back, so that's the other thing. And these have the subwoofer ports, so I'm not sure for extra bass, which is great. So hopefully these are going to sound really good. So we're going to test these out. My next video, we're going to put on some music. You're going to test them out. You're going to see what they sound like and see if you like them. All right. Thank you for watching Glenn Velvet Reviews. I am out. Have a good one. Enjoy. Please, if you have any questions or comments, post them down below. I would love to know. And subscribe to my channel. And join me on my review adventures of everything else I like to review and help the community out and help everybody else out with making decisions on, buying stuff before they spend their money. Kind of helps out. So everything I get, I try to put on right away and, help everybody out as much as possible to see if it's, worth your investment or worth your paycheck that you work very hard for. So, all right. Thanks everybody for watching again. Be safe. Bye-bye.